What's up, everybody? It's Stacey, Storino. Welcome back. One place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. So many of my students who are engaging in organic content marketing on Instagram in 2021 are saying, hey Stace, I'm not having much luck getting business conversions on Instagram, like more followers, more email signups, and more sales, and I don't know why. I don't think my customers are finding me on the platform. And this is a totally fixable problem, which is why I'm going to share with you how to find your customers on Instagram 2021. We're going to get into it, but before I forget, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. By the way, if you're stuck on how to possibly engage in organic content marketing effectively on Instagram to begin with, then you should check out my video, How to Create More Content on Instagram 2021. That video is a great companion to this one, so be sure when you're done watching this video that you check that other video out. Anyway, let's get into those tips that will help you to find your customers in 2021. Step 1, put out the proper digital breadcrumbs. Now, if you understand your customers well enough, then you know what content they like to binge on when they're hanging out on Instagram. It's content that has everything to do with the intersecting interest that would connect them, given what they're interested in with a business like yours, given the products and or services you could provide to them to solve their problems and satisfy their desires. If you're pretty dialed into both the demographics and psychographics of your ideal customer, then you know what they're searching on in terms of both keywords and hashtags on Instagram to pull up content to binge on that has everything to do with the desire they want fulfilled or a need that they have and or a problem that they need solved. So you're not going to index your content for search on Instagram with hashtags that are too broad and popular because you can't be competitive for that hashtag. And that's for sure anything that's over 1 million uses of that hashtag on the platform. The hashtags that you use to optimize your content for search on Instagram have to be used as digital breadcrumbs, you see, that will come up in search by your ideal customer as they binge on that content that has to do with the interest that will intersect them with your business ultimately, so that they'll find your content first and learn about your business next once they've read through your caption, which should, no matter what, identify you as a business or business owner that they should get to know better by visiting your bio, even clicking on a link in bio to get a coupon good off their next or their first purchase, or perhaps get a freebie that will introduce them to you and what you have to offer while sharing with them tips, tricks, and techniques that speak to their intersecting interests. If you don't use digital hashtags like the proper hashtags that you can be competitive for and that your ideal customer is actually searching on, then you won't lay out an effective trail of breadcrumbs, one piece of well-optimized content at a time for your ideal customer to find and search that, well, one well-written caption at a time will turn that content consumer back to your business to follow your account, opt into your email list, and we hope sooner or later buy from you. So keep in mind that every piece of content is indexed for search via hashtags on Instagram. So you kind of live and die by your hashtags. I have a link in the description below to a tool that can help you. You can check it out, and it's called Flick. I use Flick all the time for my business and even my family's business, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, and I swear by it. It'll help you to understand what hashtags to use, what you can be competitive for, what hashtags tend to get more engagement and comments, and more. Flick is an official third-party vendor of Instagram, so you're not being shady if you use it. Now, you click on that link down below in the show notes, and you keep Flick after the trial period, sure, I'm going to get some affiliate commission from it. But again, I use the tool, which is why I swear by it, and any commission that I earn helps me to keep making videos on YouTube that are otherwise for free. Keep in mind that as of 2021, Instagram algorithm experts have said that while optimizing your content with the proper hashtags remains critically important, and while people can follow hashtags as well, like they're influencers or something, they can follow hashtags and they cannot follow keywords. People can still search on keywords and not just hashtags. And if you use keywords that are related to your content in your caption, the Instagram algorithm has a better chance of understanding what your content is all about. And if all systems are go, your keywords and your hashtags won't just serve as digital breadcrumbs that can get you found more effectively by your ideal customer, but they can serve as digital data points to the Instagram algorithm, which can perhaps suggest your content out more effectively, let's say, on the Explore page. So this is critically important, and it's really how you find your customers on Instagram 2021. If you need additional help understanding what an intersecting interest is, by the way I teach my students about it, you should check out a video I did entitled Blow Up Your Instagram with this hashtag strategy. In the meantime, step 2, really study hashtags on Instagram. So like I said a moment ago, sure, you can follow hashtags. So the ones that are the most important to your ideal customer when they're binging on content that has to do with their intersecting interest, you should definitely follow those specific hashtags and see how they're used by other creators on the platform. You also want to take a good look at who is actually commenting on that content, who's engaging with it, because those people are likely your ideal customers and they're obviously sufficiently influenced by the content to even make an effort in the first place as to engage with it. So you actually have a way to study your niche out in the wild, and you can learn a lot from them, which can help you create products and or offerings that they're actually looking for, and or you can learn how to craft content that will coax conversions from them more effectively on Instagram. That's definitely how to find your customers on Instagram 2021. But then what do you do once you've found people who, more likely than not, fit the bill of your niche? Step 3, follow and be friendly. I break the ice after following them. You may automatically get followed back by them, which is super and hardly unusual, okay? But then I'd send them a DM or direct message on Instagram introducing yourself and complimenting them on their awesome profile. Perhaps you may have gone and interacted with some of their content. A good idea. They're likely to reciprocate. Be sure that you're authentic, not copy and paste in your approach. Don't come on too strong, just be friendly and complimentary, and be a bit detailed about at least one or two of the pieces of content that you like, commented on, and so forth before you sent that DM. They may very well send you a DM back, which is great. And believe it or not, I've had quite a few students of mine get sales not long after the first conversation volley back and forth in the DMs. If nothing else, be sure to let your new Instagram networking contact know the next time you publish a major value add type piece of Instagram content, like an IGTV video, where you're talking about the intersecting interests that they've got. Share tips, tricks, and techniques that they'd find useful, starring your products and or highlighting your services along the way and how they can help. That can certainly pique their interest and even bring you a sale. At the very least, they'll respect the fact that you're a business owner who gets them and what they're into. And that'll increase the KLT factor, or the know, like, and trust factor, so that over time, they may very well buy from you because they know, like, and trust your brand and what it has to offer, even if it takes you a while to digitally woo them. That's not just how to find your customers on Instagram in 2021, it's how to sow the seeds of trust to reap the harvest of a sale and a loyal customer too. Nice, right? You're not out to create random acts of content. You're out to create content that drives traffic, as I say, to your business so that you can do more business. Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.